15 lessons from how big things get done. The surprising factors that determine the fate of every project, from home renovations to space exploration and everything in between, by Flyvbjerg and Gardner. 1. Big is best built from small. It's important to start with a clear and realistic vision for your project, and then break it down into smaller, more manageable tasks. 2. Be a team maker. No one can successfully complete a big project alone. Surround yourself with a team of talented and dedicated people who share your vision. 3. Master the unknown unknowns. Even the most well-planned projects will encounter unexpected challenges. Be prepared to adapt and adjust as needed. 4. Know that your biggest risk is you. The biggest threat to the success of your project is not the unexpected, but your own biases and blind spots. Be humble and open to feedback. 5. Be transparent and honest. Communicate openly with stakeholders about the progress of your project, even when things aren't going according to plan. 6. Don't be afraid to fail. Failure is a natural part of any learning process. If something doesn't work out, don't be afraid to try something different. 7. Celebrate success. It's important to recognize and celebrate the successes of your team, both big and small. 8. Don't try to do everything yourself. It's important to delegate tasks to your team members and trust them to get the job done. 9. Set realistic expectations. It's important to be realistic about the cost, time, and resources required to complete your project. 10. Be flexible and adaptable. Things don't always go according to plan. Be prepared to adapt and adjust your approach as needed. 11. Communicate effectively. Communication is key to the success of any project. Be clear, concise, and consistent in your communication with stakeholders. 12. Manage risks effectively. Identify and assess the risks associated with your project and develop strategies to mitigate them. 13. Empower your team. Give your team members the authority and resources they need to be successful. 14. Be data-driven. Use data to inform your decision-making throughout the project lifecycle. 15. Learn from your mistakes. Every project is an opportunity to learn and grow. Take the time to reflect on your successes and failures and identify areas for improvement. Following these lessons can help you to successfully complete big projects on time and on budget.